Today I tried cooking something completely new.
Mission sent me their protein wraps, which I'm really excited about.
I went to my fridge and I grabbed an onion. I chopped it up and sauteed it in some oil. I hadn't done the food shop in a while, so I didn't have a whole lot of choice in my fridge. I went to my freezer and grabbed some lamb alternative vegetarian protein. Popped it in the air fryer. I added some chestnut mushrooms as I thought the flavor would really add to the dish. And I added these to the pan. I fried this off for a couple of minutes and I had to think about what else I could add to the dish. I felt it needed more greenery, so I added some kale, chopped it up, added it in, and also some avocado. Because let's be honest, there's nothing avocado doesn't improve. I finished cooking everything off and then grabbed the wraps to get them ready for the dish. I popped them in the microwave for about 20 to 30 seconds and then it was time to assemble everything all together. So I got some mayonnaise, some salsa dressing, I added the fried vegetables and avocado, and then lastly the vegetarian lamb alternative.
Now for the moment of truth. So good. And I also can't believe how much protein I'm getting out of that. I'm really impressed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want more recipes and cook along with me videos, then please comment below, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you'd like me to cook next. I have so many vegetarian dishes that I've been cooking lately that I love. Lots of soups, desserts, as well as more kind of main course meals. And I would love to share them with you all. So let me know what you'd like me to do next. Let me know if you want to see more. Have a wonderful day to you all, and I will see you on the next one.